Hi guys, welcome to our Mother's Day vlog. Napili kong gumawa ng building blocks kasi Minecraft. Umpisa pa lang, nag-aaway na kami.
Lampas ka na. You're banging. That's too much oil. Mom? The ceremony. Mom, I really like making Minecraft. Hindi. Under the pegboard Walmart. Let's go, guys, let's go. Oh yeah, pieces. How many pieces though? 2 pieces of egg. Balik na tayo dun sa table natin. Okay, net. Okay, ganito daw muna gagawin.
Ang saya-saya ko dito.
Pagkali. So, ilagay mo daw lahat ng ilagay natin ingredients. Choco cake mix. Choco cake mix muna. Dahan-dahan lang. Pour them all.
Huwag na isama yung lagayan ah.
Oh, ilagay mo na. I got to throw this out. Oh, yeah. Sander, number 1. What should I do? Warm water. Okay, go. And let's practice annoying eggs.
Hindi ako pagkakrap na din.
And then here's how you mix the ingredients. Oh, this is so satisfying.
How many minutes?
5 minutes.
Excited na ako sa cake namin. Kasama namin din si Ate Apple dito. Away ulit.
That looks like dog ball.
Yan. Okay na.
Oh, okay, tablets. Oh, get the tablet na. Oh, the tablet. Forgot. Ayan. That's a lot of kids that took. 120 pounds.
Gumagawa na kami ng frosting. Green kay mama, akin brown.
Ganito mo, straight mo yung nasa gilid. Ayan, tingnan mo, lukat na yun.
Hi, Mom. Mom, I need a little help. Mom,
You can do that. Look at me. Look at how I, mix it. That doesn't look like dirt.
it just looks like there's... I don't even know how to do Wait, I gotta rush and face that
That's
door.
green, right?
Yeah, because a free walks take over the whole land of green.
Green and rock.
Happy yan, mama.
So, look at the ice.
Tumalsik pa nga.
Ito ba si? Smile!
Sobrang atina. Excited na kaming makita yung design. Wow, ang ganda!
Nima. Thank you, Nima. Thank you, Nima. Ano yung bag?
Balik tayo sa cake ko.
Ay, caramel na. Caramel na. Kasi, circular na.
Why?
Tara sa gilid.
He's a player. Hey, come get up.
Sa gilid pa.
Oh. Oh.
Agad mo.
I'll get that Barbie.
Nahilo na si Mama.
Nahilo na ako.
Ay, ma?
Dito ko lang i-decide ano. Dito ang gawin natin.
Ilalagyan na namin ng design at toppers.
Gimme! Gimme! Left or right? Looks like a forest now.
And then?
And let's add a character. Oh, Steve,
May bagong laruan na naman ako.
Little house.
Ha ha ha.
Come on, why can't you just stand?
Kukunin ko yan mamaya.
Fine. O, diba? Sabi mo sa akin, you don't like baking. Lahat.
Yes, that's all nice.
Tada! Natapos na namin! With the help of Ate Apple. I'm so proud of my cake. Yung cake kay Mama, sa akin yung toy. Nilalagay na yung cake sa loob ng box. Sobrang nag-enjoy kami tatlo. This is for you, Mama, my cake. Happy Mother's Day. And I love you. Thanks for watching, everyone.